now let's demo the separation of variables. This is example 1. It said solve the differential equation y over x equal to dy over dx. So this is the first order differential equation because you have the term dy over dx. So let's see here what you should do. These are the steps. First step is let's separate the x and y variable. So here you have dy in your numerator. So your dx in your denominator here, let's just cross multiply. So whichever variable x we'll put on our left hand side and whichever variable y we'll put it on our right hand side. So let's do it. Dx cross multiply and here you have y. So just bring it down here. So now you have finished the first step, separate the variable. So you have 1 over x dx equal to 1 over y dy. Now let's move on to second step. Let's integrate both sides, okay? So from here, you just add up the integration symbol. And then now let's integrate this. Integrate 1 over x dx is just ln x. While integrate 1 over y dy, this is ln y, and don't forget to plus c. Actually, this one also you have constant, but no need to write. You have this already. Okay, and then let's bring ln y here. So you'll have ln x plus c. So don't worry about this constant. You just bring this constant here. So minus c is just same with plus c. So don't really worry about the constant. So now we have ln y equal to ln x plus c. You can see here that we have dropped our modulus sign. Because this type of question, when you're solving differential equation, we don't need to put modulus because we assume the value is positive. Okay, because usually the differential equation is used in application like decay, population growth, law of cooling, and so on. So when we deal with time, mass, speed, and so on, we will assume that our variable is already positive. So you can see here that we have dropped the modulus sign. Now let's proceed to step number 3. Let's solve for our y. So your y is here inside the ln. So in order to get rid of the ln, we need to take exponential e on both sides. So let's take e on the left hand side and also e to the power of everything on your right hand side. So let's solve this. E to the power of ln y, this is just equal to y. Okay, so we have finished from our left hand side. From our right hand side, we need to open up. So e to the power of a plus b, you can split to become e to the power of a times e to the power of b. Okay, so let's split them. E to the power of ln x times e to the power of c. Okay, and then for e to the power of c, you can just let it as a. Another constant. So you can replace this as a, and for e to the power of ln x, this is just equal to x. So now we are finished solving for y. Therefore, we can conclude your y is equal to ax. This is your general solution because in your final answer, you have the constant.